Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Visual Studio Code and the packages and extensions that are needed for it. For example, Python and CodeRunner. But before I go into that, I'd like to show you this website called Replit.com. The link will be in the description as always. This is basically for those that don't have a laptop or computer strong enough to run some code. This makes it very easy. You can just run the code on this website and make an entire project maybe on it as well. First thing you want to do, you want to sign up. I've already done that, so I'll log in. Here I like to select the dark theme, it's easier on the eyes. I'll go home. Here you can see your repls. I guess those are the projects that you have. I have one here. I want to create a new one. I want it to be in Python. I'll call it Code Notion. And it's public. So I'll create this. As you can see here, I will pretty much have an environment where I can run Python code. For example, print hello world textbook. Press run and it'll give you your output in the console here. It's very simple. It'll save you some trouble. It'll help you learn programming even if you don't have the facilities. It's very nice, I feel. And yeah, now moving on to Visual Studio Code, you want to go to code.visualstudio.com. This link will be in the description as always. Once you've come here, you want to press this button. If it says the operating system that you're currently running, if it's not showing the right one, just press this and click the one that's best suited for you. I've already downloaded it, so I'll just go to my downloads folder and I'll press this to begin the installation. Now I accept the term agreements. You can do that. Here I usually leave this as the default. It saves a lot of trouble in the future. I recommend it. Same with this one. Here I always select create a desktop icon. Just makes access much easier. You should read through these and select or unselect whichever that fits you best. You want to go next, install, and it should be rather quickly done. Finished. It auto selects launch Visual Studio Code. You want to press finish. Alright, first thing I want to go to is the extensions. Here you can install your languages and dependencies. Python, when you first install it, it won't be there. I had Python installed already, but if you don't have, all you will need to do is right here, write Python, and it'll be the first option here. Just press install, and once it installs, it usually tells you to restart your Visual Studio Code. If it doesn't and it doesn't work, just restart it. And then we can also install CodeRunner. This is basically so that you can get the terminal to run code for you. It's pretty handy. Again, I have installed. You just press install and you use it. You can pretty much add any plugins or extensions or languages. Anything you need to install for Visual Studio Code, you can use this. It's very simple, very easy. Now we can come back here, and it doesn't have any option for creating a project. But all you can do is what you can do is create a open folder. I'll go to desktop. I'll just right click on the screen, new folder, call it Code Notion, select folder, and here. Now you're inside the repository of Code Notion. You can add a file, I guess main.py. You can add a folder inside it. subfolder, and inside that folder you can add another file, subfolder file.py, and yeah, you can basically just use it. I'll just do textbook to print hello world. And so, as opposed to PyCharm, in VScode you have to save the code every time before running it, otherwise it won't run the correct version. You can either do the long way, just come up here and press save, or just press hold control and then press S, and it will save for you. Then you can press this, run code, and in your terminal it will run hello world. It's very simple, very handy. And again, if you have any problems or questions, just ask us on Discord and we'll help you as much as we can. And I will see you guys on the